Hey, what's going on, everybody? Will McCarthy here. Basically, we're just down here training really hard at 11 Michigan Drive here in Natick, Mass. We've got a whole bunch of people here training, and we're working real hard, trying to get in shape, trying to stay in shape. Some of us have fights coming up, so we're preparing for that, helping each other prepare. We always train hard here. So if you're interested, definitely check out all of our social medias. We'll list them in the description down below. But for right now, we got to get back to training. So see you soon.